If you've ever had a product, service, or app idea and wanted to start building an audience before you're ready to launch, this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a fully designed waitlist landing page with a working email form, a countdown timer, and a Google Sheets integration that captures every sign-up automatically. No code, no developers, just prompts. I built this for a fictional AI career coaching app called CareerPilot AI. But the exact same process works for any app, product, or service you're building toward. I know what it's like to have a great idea and then get stuck the moment the technical side comes up. What platform do I use? How do I make it not look like a template? Today, I'm going to show you how to build a fully working waitlist landing page from scratch using Base44, entirely through prompts. Now, if you want to follow along, click the link in the description and sign up for Base44's free plan right now. You don't need to add your credit card details. You just sign up using your email and they'll give you 5 free credits using my link in the description. And with those 5 credits, you can follow along. Now, let's start building. Step 1. Initial build. The first prompt sets everything up. This is where I define the design direction, the copy, and the full page structure all in one go. I gave Base44 the app name, CareerPilot AI, and specified a dark navy background with a violet accent color for that bold, high contrast look. For typography, I went with 2 Google fonts, bold-ons for all the headlines and display text, and Inter for body copy and supporting texts. I also asked it to make sure the layout is fully responsive across all screen sizes. I didn't want to chase down mobile issues later. For the copy, I gave it everything up front: the hero tagline, the description, the feature names and their descriptions, the social proof line, and the footer text. The more specific you are in the first prompt, the less back and forth you'll have in later steps. What came back was a fully structured page, hero section with the email form, 4 feature cards, a social proof block, and a footer. The form confirmation state was also in place. When someone submits their email, the form gets replaced with a message that says, "You're on the waitlist. We'll be in touch soon." No page reload, no redirect. It just swaps cleanly. That's the foundation. Now, let's clean up the design. Step 2. Design polish. The first build was solid, but needed a few visual upgrades. The hero section was a little flat, and I wanted the interactive elements to feel more alive. I sent a polish prompt asking for 3 things: a subtle gradient or texture added to the hero background for depth, a soft glow effect on the feature cards when you hover over them, and a hover animation on the CTA button. Just a slight scale up or brightness boost, nothing dramatic. Step 3. Bug fixes. 2 issues came up after that first polish pass. The gradient texture was only applied to the hero section. The rest of the page was still sitting on a flat background. And on mobile, the headline was getting cut off, and the layout was too compressed to be readable. I sent a targeted fix prompt addressing both. The background texture needed to run consistently across the entire page, not just the top. And for mobile, I asked for the headline to scale down properly, full padding on both sides, and the email field and button to stack vertically and go full width on small screens. One more thing came up across a few prompts. Base44 kept splitting the app name so that CareerPilot sat on one line and AI dropped down or got oversized on its own. I had to be very direct about this. The app name is one continuous line of text, same size, same weight, with only the color of AI in purple to differentiate it. No separate elements, no line breaks, no stacking. Once I was that specific, it stayed fixed. The page looks great, but right now, submitting an email doesn't actually save anywhere. Let's fix that. Step 4. Google Sheets integration. This is honestly the part I expected to be the most complicated, and it ended up being the easiest. I told Base44 to connect the waitlist form to a Google Sheet so that every time someone submits their email, it gets saved as a new row. Base44 walked me through it. It asked for authorization to access my Google accounts and then just needed the sheet ID from my spreadsheet URL. That's it. Within a couple of minutes, the form was writing directly to the sheet, email addresses and timestamp, one row per submission. No webhook setup, no app scripts, no third-party configuration. It just handled it all. Now, worth mentioning, if you had rather collect emails through a CRM, this is also where you'd connect something like HubSpot, MailChimp, or Brevo instead. The process is similar. Base 44 will prompt you for the API key and walk you through the connection. For a simple waitlist at this stage, though, Google Sheet gets the job done and keeps everything in one place. So, emails are being captured. Now, let's add something that creates a sense of urgency on the page. Step 5. Countdown timer. I added a countdown timer to the Hero section, right above the email form. It counts down to a specific early access deadline, displayed in days, hours, minutes, and seconds. The label above it reads, Early access closes in, and when the timer hits 0, it automatically swaps to Early access is now closed. I also made sure to ask for full responsiveness in the same prompts. You don't want the timer blocks breaking or stacking awkwardly on mobile. Step 6. Final QA pass. Before publishing, I ran a final quality check prompt. A few specific things I wanted confirmed. The email form should always be visible by default on page load, not the confirmation page. The confirmation should only appear after a successful submission in that session. The form shouldn't allow empty or invalid email submissions to go through, and the countdown timer should be accurate and running the moment the page loads. I also flagged one thing I'd caught during testing. I had submitted my own email earlier, so the confirmation state was showing instead of the form. The QA prompt locked in the correct default behavior so that any new visitor always lands on the form, not someone else's session state. After that, I hit publish, signed up as a fresh user, and tested the full flow. The form, the countdown, the Google Sheets connection. Everything is working. That's it. The page is live. So the real question is Base 44 actually worth using for something like this? And here's my honest take after going through the full build. For speed, it's hard to argue with. A fully designed, responsive landing page with live form integration and a countdown timer in an afternoon is genuinely impressive for a no-code tool at this price point. The prompt-based workflow is more intuitive than most things I've tested. Once you get used to describing outcomes rather than giving technical instructions, it moves fast. Now, that said, the output is probabilistic. You will run into moments where something doesn't render the way you described, where a fix in one area creates a small issue somewhere else, or where you need to be very specific about something that seems obvious. The CareerPilot AI headline situation is a good example of that. It took a few targeted prompts to lock it in. That's just part of working with AI builders right now. Knowing how to send a focused, single-issue fix prompt rather than a broad rewrite makes the process a lot smoother. For anyone who needs something live fast, whether it's a waitlist page, an internal tool, or a working prototype, this is one of the most capable tools for that right now. And the best part? Base 44 has a completely free plan where they give you 5 free credits every single day. To claim those, just click the link in the description of this video and sign up for a free account. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to learn more about how to build apps with AI, then you're probably going to be interested in this video right here where I build another cool app using Base 44. So just click here and I'll see you there.